Today we are doing another drilling of borehole for a farm settlement as a way of contributing to food security in Nigeria. Here is a farm deep in Odeda local government of Ogun State, close to Abeokuta. You can see the farm. That's the poultry farm on the right, on the left, and there's a bigger farm here. So we'll take you to where we're doing the drilling today so that you can see the contribution of achievers towards food security in Nigeria. Okay, here we go. This is part of the farm. Very large place. So large, so big. These are some of the things planted. Part of the farm settlement. So now we go to the drilling point. Here we go. That's the poultry farm to the left. Also part of the poultry farm. And yes, another part of the farm. That's the farm manager's office. Part of the farm. And here we go. You're going to see the drilling team at work, doing what we know how to do best. So those are the company's trucks. We're getting there. It's a big farm. This is just like the farm's office complex. The whole of the surrounding, as you can see up there, it's part of the bigger farm setup. So here we are with the Achievers Geotechnical Services truck. So that's the truck for the compressor, and also that's the drilling rig. The drilling point is somewhere here. So that's the truck drilling. Okay, here we are. Now the job is almost concluded. The breaking of this wall is part of the collateral damage that we normally see when we do drilling. So the drilling has been done. There is the drilling site. The operators are here. We've done a lot of drilling. How many meters? That's about 100. 30. Okay. But it's good. I can see that there is plenty water. They had a well system there, but it's not the same as the borehole. See, these are the cuttings taken out of the bore well. Now they are going to do the flushing now. Let's move back so that this thing will not splash on the camera and damage your recording equipment. So let's just stand by and see what's going to happen here. As you can see the farm all over here. Now here we go. Those are the casings. Now the flushing is being done. Stand by and watch. Catch your phone. The drilling has been done. I understand this is about 140 meters. Mostly basement. You can see that those cuttings are cuttings from the granite zone or the bedrock. And now we're gonna see the drilling. So you can see the water gushing. Water gushing there. Wow, that's impressive. This is very good news. So the drilling team also, they are all excited. can see the operatives also taking pictures, recordings of what they've done. How are you, Douglas? Good evening. Well done. Wow. So we'll go to the next phase of the drilling process, which is okay. Let's see the bedrock stones. Let me see it. Let's see the bedrock. So now the driller is going to show us the bedrock. Those are the cuttings. Hold here, please. See, these are the cuttings from the bottom of the borehole. You can see how soft this is. It's a stone, but because of the fact that water has soaked it over the years, that's why it's looking very soft. So when you hear bedrock, these are the cuttings from the bedrock of the borehole. Thank you, congratulations. Thanks so much. Good job.
Yes, sir.
But this is something that the owner of this property needs to keep jealously. See the bedrock. He needs to keep it jealously. That's what they excavated from the depth of the borehole, meaning that they've got to the aquifer and they were able to remove this. You can see it's hard stone, hard rock. But because it's from the water, it's been soaked in the water over the years. So here is it. You can see breaking. So when you hear bedrock, aquifer, these are the stones bedrock that we normally drill and the bore, confirming that we have been able to bust the aquifer. So we are moving forward to the next stage of the bore drilling process. Here is the team trying to round up. So this part, what we have here, you can see a lot of the water that has been flushed out of the borehole. All over this place is waterlogged, indicating that a lot of water has come out of this. Now they are rounding it up gradually. Okay, no problem. No problem. Nothing is about to do something. So the surrounding environment is part of the big farm area. You can see very big farm settlements. We are doing our best, our quota, to contribute to food security in Nigeria by helping to develop this borehole so that there will be irrigation system rather than waiting for rain-fed system of agriculture. That is gonna be irrigation all year round for this project. So next time you are buying food in the market, you know that drilling companies have also contributed their quota towards providing you with good food on your table. We are going to see some of those plants that this borehole output will be used for. So the rods are being pulled out gradually, as you can see. You can see the operating system here. Now let's go to the farm. Here we have sweet potatoes. This is what they call sweet potato. That's sweet potato. That's sweet potato. All over this farm, we have them all over there. Sweet potato. So rather than waiting for the rain, which may not be consistent, so year round henceforth, this farm is going to have access to potable water to irrigate the farm. You can see the sweet potato farm doing well now, so it will continue to do well. That's a pawpaw tree over there. That's cocoyam all the way down there. And also the poultry birds will be supplied with potable water all year round. At the end of the day, the farm is also contributing this quota towards food security in the nation. Okay, we have some banana stems there. That's another big poultry farm there. So, as we've seen earlier on, that's part of the drilling and also drilling's contribution towards food security in Nigeria. Once again, this is Achievers Geotechnical Services, doing what we know how to do best towards meeting the food security need of our dear country. So next time, please watch this video and many more of it on our YouTube channel, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel as a way of encouraging us to do what we know how to do best. We will be going back to the drilling spot now to see the next steps of the drilling. These items here are granites brought in to screen the hole. This is granite. Let's zoom it. See, you can see this. That's the granite. You can see granites. They actually key part of the drilling process to screen the hole so that water will be filtered into the borehole and debris and so on will be filtered out of the borehole process. As you can see, that's the borehole there, right in front of you. Okay, so thanks so much for watching. For more of our drilling activity and videos, please check on our YouTube page, watch and subscribe to support this business. Thank you.
You know what silent going. Road. Johnny. No, no, no. Somewhere, somewhere. Right on.
You know, yes, she's screaming there. One gravel park tó máa keep pipe yẹn sáàárín omi tó bá ń jáde bọ̀ láti ara òkúta bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ó máa filter omi bíi pé omi tó dalẹ̀ máa rí àwọn mọ́ọ̀dù ẹ̀ ò ní tẹ̀lé wa. Then gbogbo àwọn pipes wọn kó sínú ló máa stabilize ẹ̀.
Jack of this side. But many will just give a quotation affordable to people that usually lead to problem. It is not side.
Timber.
Osmo Pocket 4 of DJI. Osmo DJI. All record. I will just pause that by a minute or so and let you see it.
Only
silent going. Bob, what's road. Sorry. No. Somewhere. Right on.
You know, she's spinning there. One gravel park tó máa keep pipe yẹn sáàárín omi tó bá ń jáde bọ̀ láti ara òkúta ẹgbẹ́ yẹn ó máa filter omi bíi pé omi tó dalẹ̀ máa rí àwọn mọ́ọ̀dù ẹ̀ ò ní tẹ̀lé wá. Then gbogbo àwọn pipes don kó tu ló máa stabilize ẹ̀.
Jack of this side. But many will just give a quotation affordable to people that usually lead to problem. It is just the opposite.
Timber.
Osmo Pocket 4 of DJI. Osmo DJI. All record. I will just pause that by a minute or so and let you see it.
Only